I will show you how to get mods in GTA 5. Open your Google Chrome. Type GTA 5 mods. Select the mods you want to download. Then click Download. After downloading, extract the mods file. Select Extract File. Open the mods folder. Read the mods terms. Here it is, explained only copying the files in the mods file to the GTA 5 file. Copy all of this. Then find the GTA 5 folder that we saved. Then paste all the mods files that we have downloaded. That's it. Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.